Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing for Harry Potter Hogwarts Battle. So let me see if I can get this open. It's quite a hefty box. So this is a cooperative deck building game where you actually play as characters from the Harry Potter franchise. I think you can be one of four characters, either Harry, Hermione, Ron, or Neville. I'm going to play this tomorrow with my parents. Hopefully, I'll be Harry Potter because they are not interested. Cool. So, this is the board. Just show the board. A simple board with different places to keep all the cards. It's very light bottom up, but yeah, that's basically the board. Not too much Harry Potter there. We have the rule book. It's a nice hefty rule book with quite thick pages actually. So yeah, so this is where the locations open up. This is the dark arts stack where basically they will attack us. Villain cards will be here, and we'll be trying to battle with the active villain. And yeah, so you basically have a deck of cards. You play 5 cards and do whatever is written on the card. You buy more cards for your deck, and next time you shuffle it up, you basically get those spells as well. And this is the basic gameplay. You lose health. I think you don't die in this game, but you get stunned. But when you do get stunned, there is a skull which goes back on the location. Okay, so basically on the last page we can actually, these are pouches where you can actually put in the gaming rules. That is why the rule book was so thick, the first page. So you can put all these rules in these pouches. One other thing that I would like to mention is that it does say that there are around 4 dice in the game, which are there in the game 4 box. So I'm not opening the box because I don't want to show off those dice, but don't be worried when you actually don't see the die when you open your box. And I'm not going to open it, no spoilers here. And so these are basically the boards that you may keep in front of you. All same, nothing different about it. These basically you get 10 health. This is the attack that you can do to your enemies. These are influences using which you can buy more cards. These are, I think, the dividers which you can use. Basically add the starting cards and the dark arts cards and keep it. More dividers. I don't know why I have two sets of dividers. I don't know, maybe we can use the two sets. So here we have basically the decks for the cards. These are based on each book. So we have Sorcerer's Stone, Chamber of Secrets, Prisoner of Azkaban, etc. etc. I think the main game will change after game 4. So I'm not going to open any of the game boxes. Basically these have cards. The cards are I'll just open one or two cards so that I can show you. So yeah, these are the cards. These are the spell cards. You gain something. So this is Alamara. Nice cards actually. So I'm not going to open all the cards up because I don't want to spoil it for anyone. So we have the cards, we have the packs, and we may have the character and the villain cards. So that was Crabbe and Goyle. I'm just trying to find the character cards. Let me see. Okay, no. Okay, I don't want to open that and basically spoil it for anybody else. So the cards are really nice and they are all saved in these game boxes. I don't know, I would want to play this again with my friends whom I am not able to play with at the moment. So I'll be keeping track of these cards. Next we have these nice metal skulls which go on the location. So if your location is completely filled with these skulls, you basically lose. And so those are the skulls. Really nice detailing to it. And a nice branding on the back. And these are quite heavy, so they are really nice. And okay, I would miss punching these tokens out of the game, but yeah, it's already pre-punched. You have the hearts which basically go on the board like so to basically track where you are. You have these attack tokens using which you can attack your enemies. And the tokens are nice, like they are not cheap tokens. And these are the influence cards, influence tokens basically, using which you can buy more cards. So yeah, it has a nice insert, a lot of dividers, and that's basically it. So that was unboxing for Harry Potter Hogwarts Battery, a cooperative deck game. Thanks for watching guys. Please do subscribe and like.